Hey guys, if you want to use Google Gemini to draft, reply to, or send WhatsApp messages hands-free or directly from your phone, this video will show you how. So we'll enable WhatsApp extension in the Gemini, send voice or text prompts, and cover browser tools or for WhatsApp web. Okay guys, so first thing you need to know is that you need to be in the supported region in order for this extension, a feature, to even be available for you in your accounts. So as you can see, I just went ahead and asked Gemini to help me send messages on WhatsApp. So as you can see, you need to firstly consent to using the WhatsApp extension. So in my case, let me actually show you. I actually do not have the ability to connect it. So in order for you to enable it, you just need to press on the settings here. I won't do that for the privacy purposes. I will just show you the screenshot. So as you can see, what do we have here? So in the settings, you should have the extensions tab right here that you can just go into and find WhatsApp extension and install it. In my case, as you can see, it's missing, so I can't use it. And also it's the explanation. So once again, how do you do this? So on the web, you just navigate to your account, click on settings, go to extensions or connected apps. On mobile, open up the app, then tap your profile picture, go to settings, select extensions, the same thing. As you can see, it says that for me, it's not available because of my account or region, and that's why the option doesn't appear. But then, in order to use it, to send a message, you can just simply say or type send a WhatsApp message to, for example, some kind of contact, of course, or tag WhatsApp like this, WhatsApp, okay, directly in your prompt, and then just say what you want to do. And Gemini will draft the exact message for you, display a confirmation card on your screen, and ask if you're ready to send. And you can just say yes, send it, and you're good to go. Enjoy, my friends.